So I've got this piece of YK30 steel. It's a 1/2 inch square. I wish it was a bit heavier, but I want to give this a try and see how it works for a cold chisel. I know where I can go purchase some old heavy coil springs, and I'll probably do that for my next video. Use that for some chisels and punches. I need to give a big shout out to Ron Thacker and Mark Peterson for their recent generous donations to the channel. May your hammers always strike true. Thanks a lot, fellas. So the angle of that block is about 60 degrees, and that should be good for the bevel on a cold chisel. I want to work with sheet steel more, and so I want to make a variety of cold chisels and punches. I want to get back to basics some and to my minimalistic roots. And besides that, a cold chisel can be the quickest way to cut certain things. Oh, there it is. Not sure how this YK30 steel will work as a cold chisel, but we'll give it a try. This chisel obviously doesn't need to be so long, and I might cut it down, but I'll leave it as is for now and see how it goes. No wear at all on the business end. Maybe a good shear would be quicker, but this is sure efficient. And this is miles ahead of a cutoff disc on an angle grinder, especially as far as piecing quiet is concerned. That's a nice cut. And the edge is still in perfect shape. Let's have another go. I realize that this is just mild steel, but this is still a test. The edge is just perfect, as if I didn't even use it. So the verdict is, this YK30 steel can make a good cold chisel. Anyway, we're not done fooling around.